Okay, so we have some shrimp, about a pound of pork, some green onion, 1 egg, a tablespoon of cornstarch, about 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, a teaspoon of white pepper, about 1 teaspoon of ginger, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of Golden Mountain seasoning sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, 4 large crushed garlic, and we also should add about half a teaspoon of chicken bouillon and a teaspoon and a half of some sugar. And last but not least, a few splashes of Maggi seasoning. Now with your chopsticks, you want to mix this all together. I have about 8 pieces of shrimp in here, and I roughly chop them. You can mix them or puree them if you want, but I like to see the chunks of shrimp in it. So let's put down the pork. Give this a quick mix. I'm going to add a little more green onion for color. Perfect. Now we're going to fill up our wonton wrappers. So in my pot here, I have some chicken stock, cilantro roots, dried chilies, and onion stalks boiling. And then before I add the wontons, I'm going to remove the stems. So you can flavor your broth however you like. I do like a chicken-based broth. And you can also use chicken bouillon too for to help make the stock if you'd like. So now we're just going to scoop a little bit of the mixture into the wontons. Okay, and we don't need water. Just going to fold them in half, close the sides in, and just kind of close at the top and pinch. So fold in half, pull in the corners here, pinch, little money bags. This is the part where it doesn't matter because you can fold it however you like. You can even fold it almost like a dumpling. Like that, and that's fine. It's up to you. So now we're going to take our little wontons that we stuffed. We're going to drop them in our broth. Okay, and you don't want to stir them you want them to form just a little bit, and you want the broth to cook the wontons a little bit so that way they don't tear. So after about a minute or so, then you can go ahead and turn it off. And if you have leftover filling, you can take them and actually dump them into your stock like so and make little meatballs. and that will actually help flavor your broth. So I'm gonna do just a few. That our soup is done, we're gonna top it off with some cilantro, some green onion. I also added some fried garlic, chili oil, homemade sriracha, sambal, a little bit of Maggi seasoning. So we're gonna try this. So let me bite into one of these so I can show you what it looks like inside. That's really good. Here's one of the meatballs. You can see the pork, green onion, shrimp. Let's try it with the homemade sriracha. Yep. Definitely give this a try. I do have meatballs in here too. These are also good. Yep. Shrimp. Bok choy. Try this recipe at home. You'll love it.